This river has quite a lot of debris coming down. It winds up on our trash screens. When that happens, the effective head level reduces. We make quite a lot less power. In fact, we have to slow the turbines down not to damage them. Now, to remedy that, we've rigged a system where we can move the boom all the way to the right bank and then reverse all 3 turbines. That pumps water up into the river from the downstream side and blows all the debris off of the screens where the boom used to be and back into the river. We then close the boom, put the turbines on forward again, and make much better power, sometimes up to 120, 150 kilowatt.